Let's look at the front of the book. This is called the cover. What do you call the front of a book? Yes, the cover. On the cover, you usually can find the name of the book, who wrote it, and who drew the pictures. The name of the book is called the title. The title or name of the book is right here. It's okay to make mistakes. What do you call the name of a book? Yes, the title. A person who writes a book is called the author. The author's name is right here. Todd Parr. What authors do? Yes, write books. A person who makes the pictures that go with the story is called illustrator. In this case, the author and illustrator are the same person, Todd Parr. What do illustrators do? Yes, make the pictures that go with a story. We are start reading the book from the front. Starting at the front of the book, we turn one page at a time. Okay, one page. And we are here in the first page. I'm going to start reading the page here. Then I'll go this way. Look, I just gonna read. It's okay if you spill your milk. I just read the words on this page. These words help tell the story. I finished reading this page. Then I had to go to the other page. Which page should I read next? Yes, the right page. I'm going to start reading here. You can always clean it up. Where do I go after that? Yes, I turn on a page and start in the left parts again. Look, this is a word. This is another word. Okay. To try a different directions. The words are separated by spaces. You see the spaces? Now, watch as I count the words on the page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 words on this page. Now let's count the words together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. I'm gonna point a word here and I'm gonna point a space here. Perfect. Now you know the print of a book.